Pesticides sprayed on crops can harm your health in the long run if they enter your body regularly. That's why it's important to wash them off properly before eating fruits and vegetables. Habit number 25. Stop eating pesticides. Here's how you can do it. Add a tablespoon of baking soda to a bowl of water and soak your vegetables in the solution for 15 to 20 minutes. After soaking, scrub and clean the produce thoroughly under running water to remove surface residue. While a solution of vinegar and water mixed in 1:3 ratio may help with cleaning, it may not completely wash off pesticides. Start this simple habit today to reduce pesticide intake and protect your health one meal at a time. 52 habits to change your life. Add these simple steps to your daily routine and see a healthier you within a year.